I want you to imagine it's the night before your senior prom. You go online and buy all of this makeup. You have a hair appointment booked, the nicest dress picked out, the whole 9 yards because you want to be the best looking person there. The night before, you do a test run with your makeup, you look in the mirror, and you look like this. Nobody wants to look like this at their senior prom. It is very hard for people to find the right makeup in store, and this is even harder to do online when you're comparing 50 different foundation shades to your with your skin to a computer screen, hoping that you get the right product. Take this lipstick, for example. This is the same product on both me and my friend, but it looks like two completely different lipsticks. So how do we know which version of the product we're getting when we buy it online? We don't, and for that reason, I created Shades, which is helping companies sell more makeup and making sure users get the right look always. So right now, this is our MVP, which is a window built in Python that allows the user to upload a photo of themselves, click where they want the makeup to be applied, choose the color, and then it applies it. We're currently working on integrating facial recognition, so specific makeup types will automatically be applied to those regions of the faces to make it easier for users to use and also to give a more accurate look. This is a photo of the prototype for our website, and we plan to make this interactive so users can make their own profile, upload their own photo, and then see different makeup products that we own to get an idea. And then we will ask them for feedback so we can upgrade it and make it the best. And we'll also use this website to present to companies to show that we are actually able to do this. This is a photo of our landing page that we plan to launch in the next few weeks. So this will just be to get users emails and give them like updates on our timeline and also showcasing the software that we already have. So then when we have the interactive website up, we can send it to them and also have like a list of people that we know that we might be able to work with. So, some of our early adopters are going to be small to medium sized makeup companies, usually either influencer owned or indie brands. And they have a large online presence and an emphasis on either diversity or large shade ranges. So, some examples are the Beauty Bakery, Lift Tinted, and Sugar Pill. And when we work with these early adopters, we are most likely going to do either a free or reduced rate in exchange for data and the experience that we get from working with them. Our business plan is to license our product with a yearly contract of about $200,000 and then charge an overhead cost per product sold from directly using our software. So pretty much if a user is on a makeup company's website and they add to cart and buy a product from directly looking at the photo that our software generated, we will get about 10% of the profits. In 2016, the beauty industry made $62.5 billion worldwide, and $4.8 billion of those dollars came from online sales alone. Our goal in 5 years is to capture about 2% of the market, giving us a share of $96 million. And we would do this by working with the smaller early adopter companies and then working our way up to some larger companies that we see would fit with our company and also have users that are tech savvy and would actually use this product. So, our marketing plan, we want to create an Instagram presence to allow people to see what we're doing, but we also want to use this to reach out to makeup companies because Instagram has become a huge platform for emerging companies to market their products. So, we think that this would be a good way to reach out to them. We also want to use the interactive website when it's launched as a way to get our name out there to other people, but also to be able to show this to these companies and show them that we are able to do this and that we can do it for them. And then also, we want to use the Vanderbilt Alumni Network to find people who are either in the positions at some of these makeup companies that would adopt our product or know the people in the positions and could maybe give us a connection. Our main competition right now is Face, and they were bought by L'Oreal a few years ago. The main difference between us and Face is that we don't want to sell to just one company. We want to be able to license our product to as many companies as we want. Also with Face, there wasn't much marketing around them, so when they were integrated into some of L'Oreal's child companies, not many people actually knew about them, and so it was there, but it wasn't really being used to its full potential. And some other competitors that we have are social media sites such as Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube, because at one point they've all done some sort of AI beauty filter. But the main difference between us and them is that we don't want to do just a filter. We want to actually capture the image coordinates and color numbers to make sure we accurately give the like what the product will look like. And also, we don't want to be built into our own like website or app. We want to be into these makeup companies' websites because it'll make it easier for users to actually use our product and help them with their buying decisions. Whereas a lot of these websites, you use the product and then you have to go and find it on your own through that company's website, and it's just not as easy. So some traction that Shades has gotten, we are a top 10 finalist in the Peter Farrell Cup, which is an ideas competition based in Sydney, Australia. We also won a grant through the Vanderbilt Wondery, and we are using part of that grant to attend a virtual trade show in October. Additionally, we are about to do the Y Combinator Startup Sprint, which is a month-long program to just really try to reach some of our goals. So we're looking forward to that. So our team, I'm Brianna Davis. I'm the CEO and founder, and I'm a computer science major. So I have some of the technological expertise to build a product and continue our MVP. And through a lot of the different programs that I have business expertise to keep continuing and furthering Shades. And this is Jonah. He is a developer and a computer science major. And he also has the expertise to help build the website and also work on the back end and integrate facial recognition. So what's next for Shades? We plan to launch our landing page in the next few weeks and then in the next few months to launch the interactive web page. We want to apply to iCorps by October so we can hopefully get funding through them for next year. And we want to integrate the facial recognition and start using user testing so we can get feedback on what users like and don't like and can make further iterations to make sure it's the best product. And then around the same time, we want to be pitching to companies and showing companies our products to get feedback from them on what they like and what we should do to make sure that it's the best thing for them. I hope you'll join Shades as we make sure people get the right look always. Thank you.